Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I just thought I would do a little stroll in the garden. I'm standing outside my front door and I was just out here watering a little bit, but I just wanted to show you. This is succulent montage that we inherited from somebody that was moving to Texas. And Emily's got her little flower boxes outside her window. And I've got this plant I inherited from someone that moved, and then this little table I got for $1.50 or something at a thrift shop. And Emily made those strawberry ceramic containers in ceramics class. And we have a little succulent thing going on over there. I just put out my welcome flag yesterday. I have like little seasonal flags I put out. I'm going to go ahead and turn this sideways so to get more of a view. Sorry, I'm moving slow and not thinking clearly. So we've got our foxgloves coming back that we planted a couple years ago, and a snapdragon from last year that is coming back. Emily's excited about. And we planted this little triangle of color during COVID, and it was absolutely not much here at all. And now we have two different kinds of roses, some lavender that's going nuts, and some purple salvia, all kinds of fun things. We got, at night it's fun because this butterfly bottle thing lights up, and so does this one. And then there's a little fountain for the birds under there. Got a butterfly bush here. Moving forward, got some asparagus here. Not asparagus, artichoke plants that, because of the rain, are doing well. And this yellow vine has completely taken over. We finally cut the nectarine tree back because there were two really dead branches. And although it's growing, it's finally giving fruit again, but the fruit was not good last year. So it seems to also have some curly thing that these trees are prone to having, but it does have some fruit. We'll see how it goes, and if we get any, which we probably won't. But Emily planted this little yellow vine a couple years ago, and it's kind of gone nuts. But my roses over here are taking over. This beautiful David Austin was getting choked out by this dumb yellow vine. So I'm trying to get close so you can all see. This is my very favorite rose that I have. And it was just struggling to get up some sunshine into bloom. So I'm slowly cutting back this very invasive yellow vine that's taken over and glommed itself onto anything that doesn't move, and is starting to choke out this butterfly bush here. So every day I come out and pull a little bit of it, but we got the rest of the garden over here, and this is the front yard. And this, oh my gosh, I planted this artichoke, and then here's another one. I planted this from a tiny little baby that I got at a nursery, the same time I planted those over there. And from the rain, for whatever reason, this has gone crazy. And this is a green variety. The ones I have in the back are more purple, but I'm super excited. I don't like artichokes. I like artichoke dip, but I will just let these bloom. They are so gorgeous. They're in the thistle family, and they are absolutely stunning when they bloom. And the blooms last forever. And then when they die back, I save the blooms. They dry out, and they're these beautiful little giant puff ball. And then there's all the seeds in there. So if you leave them alone, they will reseed themselves. So this is part of the front yard. Then over here, got another butterfly bush that's gone kind of crazy. It'll start blooming soon. And my other roses that have just gone so crazy. We've got so much rain in California. I haven't seen these roses ever do this well. So I've been picking them and making bouquets for Mother's Day, and I brought some inside, and I planted these cute little daisy flowers a long time ago that are very nice, not too invasive, but they're spreading. And then I have this climber that has literally grafted itself onto every rose bush I have. I've never heard of climbers doing that, but everywhere that I have roses, it has grafted itself. So interesting to me. But it's just so pretty with the different colors, and my little beautiful carpet of tiny daisies, and another butterfly bush, and turning around, these poor redwoods we had to cut probably 4 years ago. They were dying and they were sick. The man who we bought the house from planted these in 1964 when he built the house, and they were absolutely beautiful. I cried and cried when the tree guys were here. And we thought that if we didn't cut them all the way down, that we'd make like a fairy village with the bottoms of these trees, and we thought that the tree was going to maybe come back, but they're completely dead now, which is very sad. But we're going to still for my granddaughter, make a fairy village out of the two of these. Right now I just have some succulents growing on top and a bird feeder. And that's about it for the front yard, everyone. I just wanted to give you a tiny little tour. Have a beautiful day.